What do you want? So a trench coat for midgets is just known as a regular coat. Thanks for calling me. It was really nice. Is the Sherpa still there? Did you look to see and... It's a good question. I was hoping you knew. Really? Right. $1,300 MAH 75C 3S LiPo. $12 off Amazon. It was the last one. It's the second one I bought. It's treated me well. It's been about like a year. It's still my best battery. Tomorrow, I'm going to put it on my drone and see how it flies. In addition, I'll be making my own FPV cameras. Also, these transmitters will go onto my drone and my son's drone. I anticipate it kind of being like, goes well with goldfish crackers. And I've been thinking about grooming myself. Should be fun. Tomorrow I'll record it and then show it to you. So, until next time then, I guess. Not unless you want to go do something. Bye.